catch this train. Come up here. Take shelter. The winds are getting really cold.
I think the guard is having trouble on the brake man trying to tighten the brakes.
I'll go do it. Stay here. Sit down.
Okay, I'll do it then. But if it doesn't work, please tell me.